Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you have been here before. My name is Christina, for those of you who don't know, and you guys probably clicked on this video and you're probably wondering like, what's happening, what's going on, who is this girl, why does she not have two front teeth? Obviously you can see now I do have my teeth, but I am going to explain everything that happened to me. For you guys to understand what happened, I'm going to start from the beginning. So growing up, I always had teeth problems. I always had like a gap in my front two teeth. I ended up losing one of my teeth, one of my children's teeth, and it was a conjoined double tooth. So what happened was, when I lost that double tooth, the tooth in its place never grew back, and I found out that I never had an adult tooth. And as I got older, I had braces 2 times. I was on the facial realignment plan is what they called it. I know that's like really weird, but I had to like move my teeth all around. And so when I was a senior in high school, this tooth right here next to my front 2 teeth, I went through this whole process already. So I did that when I was a senior in high school. I'm 22 now, so that's way out of high school, but that was a struggle. It really was. I knew when I was about 12 years old that I was going to have to get my front 2 teeth removed. They told me in my x-rays that my front 2 teeth, my roots, were half the size that they were supposed to be. So I knew at some point they were going to fall out, and that terrified me. So I was always cautious of my front 2 teeth. My dentist told me I should wear a mouth guard when I danced, and could you just imagine me like up on stage and then I have like a mouth guard in? Like, that would not work out. So I was just really cautious about it, like not really biting into apples or anything like that. I was really crazy about it. So I found out that my teeth were starting to get loose when I was in Japan. You know, I'm going through this whole neck brace problem, and all of a sudden I feel my teeth are getting loose. So obviously that triggered me and I was freaking out. I had a plan to move to California right when I left Japan, and with my injury and all of that, we all know that that didn't happen. So time flies. It's the end of last year, so around November of 2018, and I knew that I was going to be moving here in the summer of 2019 to California. So I was thinking, okay, like my teeth, could you imagine if I moved to California, I don't do anything about my teeth, and then all of a sudden they fall out, and then I'm left with no teeth for 6 to 8 months, because this is not a quick process. It's a very long process. So I decided to pull the trigger, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to get them removed. I'm gonna do this. It's gonna be okay. I've done this process before. Let's go for it. So today is the day, December 27th, 2018. I'm getting my front 2 teeth out today, and I have to leave like now to go in and do that. So I'm gonna see if they will record anything, and I'll just keep you guys posted. But yeah, these 2 babies are coming out. Like you can see, that's loose, but I'm not nervous. I just like don't want to be all swollen, and I already know I'm gonna be all swollen. So as you guys saw, that was me getting ready for surgery day. It was tough, but I was okay. I knew going into it that I was not going to be put under. I was going to be awake the entire time for this, which is a little uneasy for some people, but having done it before, I knew I wasn't going to feel anything. The surgery itself, it only took like an hour to an hour and a half from what I recall. It wasn't too bad at all. The only part that like I actually felt from it was the numbing kept on wearing off, because they like, you know, do shots like all in the gums and like the roof of your mouth, and the roof, that's the one that hurts the most, by the way.
So to explain that sound on your video, you should be like, I think the dental assistant just farted. Yeah, so. All right, here's the scary part. Ready? Open big.
Okay, tooth number 1.
Look at that little. Yeah. We'll show them to you in a second.
Yeah. There we go. second one is out.
They're out?
Yeah.
They're both out. Cool? All right.
During this process, they took out my teeth and they also drilled into my jaw and put the screws in. And the reason they do this is that's where your teeth are going to end up being. So they have to create the holes in your jaw so they never come out again. And they're really stable, you know? So they go on, they do that, they go to stitch me up. My mouth is not numb anymore at this point, so they have to keep poking me. They poked me so many times because like the numbing just kept on wearing off of me, and to the point when they were stitching me like up at the end, like I felt everything. Like that was the worst part of it all. So I was recovering for a while. I had to go back to get the stitches out. He told me everything was healing fine, which is great. It's been a week since I got these out. I'm getting x-rays done and they're gonna take the stitches out right now. So, all is good. I can kind of, I literally look crazy, but that's okay. We're good. They look good, guys. Okay, so I just got my stitches out. Looks good, it feels good. I'm happy. I know this is such a weird process for you guys watching, but I'm honestly so happy with how it's going so far. It doesn't hurt at all, and next time I go in will be in 3 months. So that is March 27th. I'm going in, I'm getting impressions done, and then hopefully like 3 weeks later, then I'll actually get my teeth. So all's good, guys, all is good. I feel like I can talk better now. Like once I got the stitches out, like I can actually smile normal, like laugh normal, like I can actually lift my upper lip, where with the stitches before, I was trying not to like mess with them. I didn't want them to, you know, break or I be the reason that we have to start over, which would be horrible. But no, guys, all is good. I am happy. Woo! And nobody really knew about this. Only a few people that I was close to knew that I got my teeth out, because they give you the retainer the same day that look exactly like your teeth. So I was kind of set already, so not too many people knew. And it's crazy because I worked at a dance studio and a lot of people I feel like didn't know, but there were a select few people who like knew I didn't have teeth. But then like later down the line, when it was close to me getting like my actual like permanent teeth again, like I'd be like, oh yeah, I don't have teeth. And they're like, what? So surprise, I didn't have my teeth. If you guys were wondering what happened, yeah, this is what happened. And it was, you know, a lot. Anyways, so throughout the whole process of not having my teeth, it was a bit rough. I couldn't eat the food that like I wanted to eat, like biting into a sandwich or something like that. I was always nervous that the teeth were just gonna pop out, which has happened. So I had to be really careful. My retainer, like after getting the screws put in, there was so many, like such a process that happened like throughout the 6 months before you actually get your teeth. You have to go back, you have to get like the holes into your gums, and then those have to heal with healing caps, and then you have to do, there's just so much stuff that happens. Okay, this is horrible lighting, but I am on my way to the dentist to have them do a check-in on my teeth. So it's been exactly 3 months today since I got my front 2 teeth out, so yeah. But I'm really excited, and I hope they tell me that I can get my teeth. They said that if everything is good, then I should get my teeth in 3 weeks. So I'm really hoping that everything is good so I can get them, because I'm tired of being toothless. It's just so inconvenient. So when they put the healing caps in, my retainer didn't fit anymore because it was thicker. So they had to shave it down, and it got to the point like the last month I had my retainer, there was a hole in my retainer because it was so thin. So if I were to eat like a carrot, then that thing was gonna break and then I wasn't gonna have teeth. But luckily that didn't happen. I'm okay now. I got my teeth right before Easter, which was so exciting because I just, Okay guys, I know I look really bad and I'm losing my voice, but today is the day I get my teeth today. I'm so excited. I'm driving there now, almost there. My appointment's in 9 minutes. I'm so excited. Like, guys, I've been waiting how long for this? Like, basically, what, like 5 months, 6 months? I don't even know. But the time has come, and I get my teeth. I'm so excited. So next time you see me, I'm gonna have my teeth. It's gonna be flipping awesome. So, yeah, stay tuned. You never realize like how important something is in your life until you don't have it, especially your front two teeth. Like now, like I don't have feeling in my front two teeth obviously, but I feel like I have like the imaginary kind of feeling. Like I know what it feels like, and like when I'm butting into stuff, like talking, I'm getting used to it. Sounds normal to me. The only thing that the only problem I'm having right now is my gums aren't fully healed yet. You can kind of see that right here. It like my gum hasn't like sunken down into it yet, so it looks like I have food in my teeth when I really don't. So that's the only thing. Moment in my life. It's been 5 months. Sue's here. Jim and Jess are here. I'm gonna smash it with a hammer.
Why are you smashing it?
Because it was a long road. 5 months with no teeth. Imagine.
You should keep it in case your teeth fall out again.
No. Oh my god, imagine. Yes! Woo! There's my teeth right here. This was a really good process, and I'm happy I did it because now I'm living out here in California, and if I didn't have my teeth or if they would have fallen out, like I don't even know where I would have started, guys. Like I don't know where I would have gone, and like people who like know my history, like my teeth problems I've had in the past, like they would have been like, dude, like I don't know, like I'm so sorry, like you don't have your front two teeth. That really must suck for you when you're trying to be like a professional dancer, like behind a camera and stuff like that. Yeah, that's really hard. I think you need your teeth, in my opinion. But anyways, guys, that is my whole story. Thank you for clicking and tuning in, and thank you for watching for this long. For more videos like this or any other videos of my life out here in California, make sure you subscribe and like my video. Make sure you share to your friends and family. It would mean so much to me, and I love you guys all, and I hope that you guys don't have to see another crazy teeth video with me. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.